Have you ever wondered if your Koho card is actually a debit card? It's a question that many people have asked, and it's one that we're going to answer today. Koho is a digital banking platform that offers prepaid cards. But are these cards really just prepaid debit cards? Let's dive into the details to find out. Understanding the basics. Debit card. A debit card is linked directly to your bank account. When you use it, the funds are deducted from your account immediately. Prepaid card. A prepaid card is like a gift card that you load with money up front. You can then use it to make purchases, but once the funds are gone, it's useless until you reload it. Koho's card features. No monthly fees. Koho doesn't charge monthly fees for its cards, which is a big plus for many people. Cashback rewards. You can earn cashback rewards on your purchases with a Koho card. Interchangeable cards. Koho offers interchangeable cards, so you can choose between a MasterCard or a Visa. Is Koho a debit card? The short answer is no, Koho is not a debit card. While it shares some similarities with debit cards, there are key differences. No direct bank link. Unlike debit cards, Koho cards are not directly linked to your bank account. Instead, you load them with funds separately. Prepaid functionality. Koho cards operate on a prepaid basis. Once the funds are depleted, you need to reload them. Why does it matter? Knowing whether Koho is a debit card or not can be important for several reasons. Purchase protections. Different card types may offer different levels of purchase protection. Fraud liability. Your liability for fraudulent charges may vary depending on the card type. ATM fees. Some ATMs may charge fees for using prepaid cards. While Koho cards offer many of the same conveniences as debit cards, they are fundamentally different. Koho cards are prepaid cards that are not directly linked to your bank account. If you're considering getting a Koho card, it's important to understand the differences between prepaid cards and debit cards. This will help you make an informed decision about whether a Koho card is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.